Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add payment gateway on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find Setup, Home, Getting Paid, Sales, Catalog, and so on. So right now, go to Getting Paid, give it a click, and then here you're going to find Connect and Setup, Pay links, invoices, price quotes, proposals, and POS checkout. Right now, go to Connect and Setup, and then right here, you're going to find Start Accepting Payments. Accept one-time or multiple payments for any item, service, or amount. To get paid using these tools, first connect the payment method. So go ahead and click on Connect the payment method. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can either connect your PayPal or manual payment. Also here, as you can see, guys, you need to choose your region. So the available payments methods might differ using on or depending on which region you're in. So choose your region, and then as you can see, guys, here, if you want, you can connect your PayPal, or you can add manual payments for cash, check, or for example, cash on delivery, and so on. If you want to see all of the options, just click on see more payments options. And then you're going to be here in this page. As you can see, guys, you can also connect your Payzone or payment wall. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.